Welcome to part 2 of how I made my Captain Fortune twin guns from League of Legends. Today we continue with some detailing. I started by measuring the circumference of the cylinder and cutting out thin stripes in that length. After that I glued those stripes onto the edges. Next I cut out the detailing from my template, then traced it onto 1mm foam and cut it out. Afterwards I glued everything on. Then I started with the 3 barrels at the front. I made a new template by rolling up a piece of paper and making a kind of cone shape. Next, I taped it down and drew on where I needed to cut it. After that, I cut it and traced it onto some foam before I cut it out 3 times for each gun. Then I glued all of them together. Afterwards, I cut out a little strip to add around the 3 barrels. I started sanding down the end of the barrels to even them out and traced the outline onto the cylinder. Next, I put some glue on the outline and placed the barrels on top. And lastly, I glued the strip on.